Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
We'll start by getting the cord out of the way, so we'll cut the zip tie here. And then what we'll do is take off this clamp that's holding the cable still with the 5mm Allen wrench. And then we'll go ahead and disconnect the plug here that connects the motor to the electrical panel. Then we'll tuck this plug right inside here so it's out of our way. We'll disconnect our water hose that comes right down through here. Oh, this is supposed to pull out. There we go. Then once all that's unhooked, we'll loosen that nut. And loosen it out on this side. Once we get them loose, then we can start taking this bolt out. Alright, you're off.
Yeah, it's with the weights in there.
With the weights in, you don't have to worry about
good idea.
it.
Wait, like, or are you wanting to take it all the way apart?
Oh no, it's going all the way apart.
Like, cord it.
Right there is perfect. Around the side here. The electrical plug here. Plug it in. So. Screw the clamp back on. There. Snap it up there. So, now just hook our water hose back up. Which we just